How to make a brochure in Canva step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make a brochure using Canva. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can open up canva.com and you will land right here. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to create presentation, edit logos, create flyers, edit videos, and create brochures as well. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional brochure for the marketing of your business or your company using Canva. So let's get into it. You will open up your canva.com. If you do not have an account, you can create one with just your email address or your Google account. So once you sign into Canva or sign up, this is where you will get. This is like our main dashboard that we get. In order to get to the brochures template, we can go to the design spotlight and you can see we have brochures here, or you can also go to the business and then go to marketing. It will show you the brochures. But in design spotlight, you can see we can actually find the brochures right here. So I'm going to select it and it will open up the different templates for me and the different designs. Alright, so you can see right here, Canva has a lot of different templates for us for different niches, and we can create a brochure for ourselves. So what I'm going to do is we can either select a template or we can start from the scratch. In here, we will click on create a brochure and it will open up the canvas for us. So you can see this is our brochure design. It's divided into three parts. This is going to be the background, and then we have like the middle part and the part that comes at the first. Now we have some of the templates here, and we can select a template and work on it if we want to. We can of course customize our template according to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select a template from here and I will work on it. It's going to be really easy. Don't worry about that. I'm going to select this one. So each brochure has two pages that we get. First, we have the outside. So I'm going to select this one for the outside. You can see this is going to be the outside. Click on add page and then add the inside of your page. This is what the inside will look like. Let's work on the outside. This is the cover of our brochure. Then this is going to be the part that is going to be folded. And then this is the part that will be at the end. All right. So we need to just customize it. Like you customize any of the template on Canva, it becomes really easy. Let's work on the outside design first. And I'm going to change the color for it. I'm going to customize this template completely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select right here and we have like our color pattern. So the color pattern for this one is like blue and white. Let's say I want to go for any other pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select from here. Okay, you can see I'm going for white and this purple. We will also have to change the text color now. Let me quickly do that first. Again, I'm going to select right here, select the color, change the color. Then we're going to select the text color because there's a lot of text here. It's all blue. So we're going to select the color and change it to this. Now you can see I kind of like completely changed my template. Now we have the color. Let's move on to the text first. Digital marketing agency. So I'm going to click right here and edit this text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just add. So we have a YouTube automation company. So that's what I have written here, and I'm just gonna customize it a little bit. Perfect. Now you can see better ideas for fast growth. I'm gonna just customize this one as well and add our tagline. Grow your YouTube business. For more info, we have this and we have our email address, phone number. So I'm gonna customize the phone number as well. This is our phone number. For our site, you can customize it here, email here, and your address. If you're looking for more, if you do not want to go for this design, let's say I want to add my social media as well. So what we need to do is we'll go to the element section. I want to add our LinkedIn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go search for LinkedIn and it will show me some of the graphics that I can add. So you can see this one looks good. This goes with my other icons. So I'm going to select this one. Change the color to white like this and make it really small. Place it right here. Now you can see we have our LinkedIn logo as well. We need to add the text. Click on text. The text is going to be a very small text, which is going to be the body text here. And we can add our LinkedIn. All right. And we're going to make our text really smaller and place it right here. So this is how it's done. This is how you will be adding the information. You just add the icon and then you can add your text right here. If you want to go for any other elements, you can just go to the element section here and add different elements, search for them, add them here. Let's work here. You can see there's a quote here. And if you don't want this design, you want something else, of course you can change it. I will be keeping it very simple this way. But let's change something. So I'm just going with this one. And then we have like a company name here. So I'm going to delete that. We have it right here. And the text is done for me. Now let's change this image, and I will be uploading an image from our gallery. So you can just go to the upload section. You can upload the images right here. I'm going to go to the elements and search for a picture. So I will be changing this background right here with this. And then let's change this image. There you go. So this is what my brochure will look like. Let's scroll down to our next inside of our brochure here. So you can see we have about us. So you will of course customize it according to you. We have this logo right here. So I'm just gonna customize it. Click here and just enter the name for our company, right? And then we can get rid of this logo. We have about us. You will customize the text here as I showed you. Then we have our services, and we have services option. You will change it to customize the text. What our client says, you can add some reviews here. And then we have this picture here. What we can do is we can add the picture right here. So we can change it too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to change this picture right here. So I'm just going to replace this one here, or we can go with this one right here. Okay, so this is what it will look like, the inside. You can see the color here is a little different. I want it to be white because I went with a simple white here. Okay, now we went with grayish. Okay, so let's switch to grayish here too. Then we have some of the elements here. The elements are still blue. I'm going to change them to purple so that it matches my brochure completely, and you will enter all of the different things. Okay, perfect. So now it looks really good. You can see this is the outside, this is the inside. It's ready. Click on share right here and you will be downloading it. Click on download it as PNG, or you can download it as a PDF, of course. For now I'm going with PNG because what's going to happen is we can just share it like this, or we will be printing it. So I'm just gonna actually go ahead and download it as a PDF, this one. Perfect. Now you can share it with your clients. You can share it with your customers. You have your own brochure for your company, for your business that you're running, and you can create brochures like this using canva.com. You can use Canva for free as well and create brochures. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.